Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the jump starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required. Migo Ascender charges forward where others stop. No threshold too high, no step too steep. Designed to climb stairs while cleaning with precision, this robotic vacuum breaks free from the limits of flat surfaces. With 9,700 pascals of suction power, it lifts embedded debris from carpets and hardwood alike. Built with a robust 17 Nm mopping pressure system, it scrubs hard when it matters, leaving floors not just wiped but polished. The fully enclosed all-in-one base station keeps everything hygienic and hands-free. Dust, water, and maintenance are automatically managed. The Lumx double-headed LED desk lamp offers a modern solution for any workspace or home that requires versatile, adjustable lighting. Featuring dual heads, this lamp provides wide, even light coverage, perfect for multitasking or setting the mood in any environment. The lamp allows users to easily adjust both the color temperature and brightness to suit different tasks or times of day. Equipped with energy-efficient LED technology, it delivers bright illumination while minimizing power consumption. Transform your shelf into a showcase of precision. The Lumina case gives collectors the power to illuminate and tailor every inch of their display with purpose. Whether you're exhibiting prized LEGO builds, detailed miniatures, or high-end action figures, this modular case adapts to your vision, both in lighting and scale. The built-in lighting system casts a balanced glow across your collectibles, enhancing color, depth, and detail. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Miniroka condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32 GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. At the edge of fast data workflows, the Terramaster D8 Hybrid takes command. Designed to balance speed and capacity, this 8-bay USB storage enclosure blends 2 NVMe SSD slots with 6 HDD bays, delivering the flexibility content creators and IT pros demand. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, it pushes data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second. Ideal for 4K editing, backups, or expanding storage with no bottlenecks. In a compact body weighing just under 8 ounces, Seal Light stands as a masterclass in portable 3D scanning, bringing lab-grade performance into your hands. This scanner uses a specialized precision blue imaging system that emits light between 400 and 500 nanometers to achieve stunning 0.02 millimeter accuracy. That's 5 times more detail per unit, ideal for reverse engineering, small-scale prototyping, or digital preservation. Strength and precision shape the bike and scooter locks. V160, a superior solution built for riders who value effortless security. Its automatic locking mechanism engages instantly, ensuring rapid protection without the need for fumbling keys or manual effort. The self-supporting design offers a robust standalone function, allowing users to lock up without leaning against unstable objects. Harnessing the elements for reliable power, the Shine 2.0 delivers a next-generation charging experience wherever the wind blows. Engineered around a 50-watt rated wind turbine generator, this compact system captures energy efficiently in diverse environments. Designed with a powerful 75-watt USB-C PD fast charging capability, it ensures your devices, including laptops and tablets, stay operational even miles away from traditional outlets. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Shine 2.0 balances portability with performance, capturing unforgettable adventures demands a camera that keeps up. The Dual-View 2 dual-screen camera delivers with 8K ultra-high-definition video, ensuring every frame bursts with clarity. Weighing just 3.17 ounces, this ultralight marvel travels effortlessly from rugged trails to city streets. Its dual-screen setup transforms both shooting and framing, offering unparalleled flexibility whether you're behind or in front of the lens. Step into a new age of intuitive robotics where human-like interaction meets intelligent design. This advanced personal companion isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Powered by ChatGPT integration, it engages in natural conversation, offering everything from thoughtful responses to jokes with timing and tone that mirror a human. Its biomimetic behavior system allows it to move with lifelike fluidity, reacting to voice, touch, and motion cues with striking realism. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus Zencreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the OITE Ostation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The Ostation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Miniroka 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8GB to 32GB, the Miniroka 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. From studio workshops to remote job sites, the ability to print precisely on virtually any surface is now a reality. Introducing the world's first modular inkjet printer designed to adapt to almost any material, rigid or flexible, while delivering vivid colors and crisp content. Whether you're applying an image, embedding a QR code, printing fine text, or stamping a barcode, this printer handles it all with precision. Compact yet powerful, it's engineered with modular components that swap easily. Bloom Kitchen revolutionizes the way you can grow your own nutrient-dense spirulina in the comfort of your home. With its innovative countertop appliance, this system offers a simple, sustainable solution to cultivate this powerful superfood. Equipped with a nutrient tablet and a carefully engineered light and heat regulation system, the Bloom appliance ensures optimal conditions for spirulina growth. The process is fully controlled via a user-friendly smartphone app, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustments. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corio, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corio defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. The NeoRest LS Smart Bidet Toilet combines advanced technology with sophisticated design to elevate your bathroom experience. Featuring a sleek one-piece skirted design with metallic trim options in silver, nickel, or black, this bidet toilet is as stylish as it is functional. With ultra-high-efficiency dual flush options of 1.0 gallons per flush and 0.8 gallons per flush, it ensures water conservation without sacrificing performance. Bamboo comfort meets minimalist efficiency in this intelligently designed 5-in-1 sleep kit. Built for modern lifestyles, this floor-friendly system is crafted from premium bamboo fabric, soft, breathable, and thermoregulating. Whether you're hosting overnight guests, heading out on a weekend camping trip, or making the most of a compact living space, this kit adapts with ease. Inside, you'll find a cleverly layered setup, a supportive mat, ergonomic pillow, foldable topper, insulating base, and quilted cover. Sometimes music sparks from movement, and with the Rukus FX handheld music mixer, motion becomes melody. Designed for intuitive control, this compact performance tool lets your hands lead the rhythm. Outfitted with a built-in speaker, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack, Rukus FX is ready for any environment, solo sessions, or live gatherings. Dive into the mixer's library of 120 customizable tracks and 80 punchy sound effects. You can build beats by selecting built-in sounds or loading your own. The UFI Cam 3 S330 redefines home security with its advanced features that elevate your surveillance experience. Featuring a remarkable 4K resolution, this camera utilizes UFI's Starlight technology for unparalleled night vision, offering crystal-clear footage even in low-light settings. It outperforms traditional 1080p cameras, delivering vibrant colors and detailed images during the night. Tucked into your palm like a small gem, the Instax Pal redefines spontaneous photography with its pocket-sized brilliance. Designed for adventurers, creators, and everyday dreamers, it slips effortlessly into any lifestyle, offered in 5 vibrant colors to suit your mood or journey. Unlike earlier models, this first-of-its-kind Instax creation focuses solely on capturing images, stripping away printing features to achieve a sleek, palm-sized form, perfect for fast-paced moments and on-the-go exploration. The Satechi Mini NVMe SSD enclosure provides a fast and reliable solution for data storage and transfer, designed for those needing efficient file management. With read speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, it maximizes the performance of 2,230mm NVMe solid-state drives, offering nearly double the speed of traditional SATA SSDs. The enclosure utilizes advanced Gen 2 USB-C technology for seamless transfers, making it an excellent choice for handling large files. When storms take the grid offline or adventure calls far from civilization, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus stands ready to meet serious power demands with resilience and speed. Designed for those who demand efficiency, this power station delivers 5 ultra-fast charging options. Plug into a 1,500-watt AC outlet and charge to 80% in just 40 minutes. Solar charging hits 80% in an hour, fully charges in 70 minutes. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leani PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. Keeping tabs on your pet's health shouldn't be stressful, messy, or expensive. That's why the Sim 702 Pet Test Kit offers a smarter, cleaner way to monitor your companion's condition from home. No vet office required unless truly necessary. In just 60 seconds, a single drop of urine analyzed by a machine learning algorithm gives you precise results across 10 key health parameters, including pH, glucose, protein, ketones, and more. The color-coded app makes tracking abnormalities easy at a glance. Reev Coin Storage offers a sleek and innovative way to manage your coin collection. With the ability to hold between 250 and 350 coins, it is designed to efficiently organize your change, keeping it neat and accessible. The magnetized floating lid eliminates the hassle of traditional coin storage. Simply flick the lid and it opens effortlessly, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. This unique mechanism adds a touch of fun to functionality, ensuring you can access your coins with ease. The self-balance chair brings an innovative approach to improving posture and comfort for those who spend long hours seated. Designed to promote proper alignment, it naturally encourages a horseback riding posture that helps maintain balance and reduces strain on the body. Ideal for office workers, students, or anyone who sits for extended periods, the chair offers effortless support and relief. With its unique movement system, the chair mimics the motion of horseback riding, providing gentle back support and stretching the muscles. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice-cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Built for those who venture off the grid and demand serious power, this 40,000 mAh portable power bank delivers a rugged, high-capacity solution for charging multiple devices. With a transparent LCD display offering real-time battery insight, this compact powerhouse stands ready for action. It supports blazing fast 100-watt power delivery charging and features dual USB-C and dual USB-A ports, perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, drones, or even gaming handhelds.